So I came from the west side of Poland, and at the age of 23, my parents sent me to UK. Here at the university, I'm a mobile app developer. At the moment, my role is to provide expertise around mobile area and give possible solutions for the future.
The mobile app first went live in September 2017, and what we needed was dedicated expertise to take it forward. This is where Arcadius has come in.
Basic idea behind it is to provide students with better experience around the university, around the campuses.
He's very personable, he's got a great sense of humour, he gets on well with people.
I find some group of students, sat with them, asked about a couple of questions about the app, gather some feedback, whether they find it useful.
We need that spark of inspiration, and that's what he brings. And enthusiasm and fun, I think that's a good way of putting it.